Thanks for watching and welcome. We tour Detroit. We tour Detroit's neighborhoods, riverfront, and downtown. Ride along.